What y'all got planned for today? Y'all got anything else planned for today? Or y'all just chilling?
No, just chilling. We have to go to the house and get this food out the trunk.
So we made it to the Comic-Con finally. So it wasn't at the location we thought it was at. It was in Waco, so we're in Waco now. We're at this booth. I'll just show y'all whatever I see. They also have knives and swords and Thor's hammer. Hey y'all, so we are out of the Comic-Con. We are at the main event. Basically it's arcades and etc. in here. I'm about to go in here and beat up on Elvis. So you can see it. But yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all in and get some footage. I had fun at Comic-Con, y'all. I wish that I could show y'all the pictures, but if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, most likely Instagram, then you'll see the pictures in my story. So hopefully I'm gonna have to make a little thread for pictures for like the events I go to, because by the time y'all see this, the story gonna be gone. So follow me on Instagram. It'll be down in the description bar, or I put it across the screen what my Instagram name is. But follow me and you'll see all of the pictures that I got today from Comic-Con. That made my day, taking all them pictures with all them people. It made me want to dress up. Next time I'm dressing up, so yeah. Come with me and Ellis to play some arcade games. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la. Because I started off horrible. Come on. I need to see it. Better play. Y'all, let's play. I started off horrible.
This one I'm gonna do. I don't get tired. The cover my face, calling me you know say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything we do, I try to do one way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty so far we be face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one time, I know one time, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know.
Hey y'all, so I'm back home. I am cutting the mats off of this. I'm using some gardening shears. I have a pair of scissors here, but these work just fine. So I already cut the first one off and put it in. It looks nice. So I'm just cutting the other one off right here. Let me bring y'all closer. This side. Y'all can see me work. Perfect. Look at that. It looks so nice. It fits so perfect. Huh? It fit perfect. I need to get some more for your car.
For my car?
Yeah. Look at it. Hey y'all, so I'm just now leaving the nail salon. Y'all can see a little bit. I just got my nails done. It's basically like a nude French. Let's see if it's right here. Listening to Platinum D, her latest vlog. It's not a vlog, it's a cute question and answer. So I got this on my hands, and then I don't know if y'all can see it on my feet. Just another French on my feet. And she cleaned that ingrown toenail up. I couldn't even show y'all the before of this toe. That toe was so bad. But yeah, right now I am going to get something to eat. I've been there since 12:30. It's 3:45 right now. That's why I'm gonna get my nails and my toes done together, because it'll be taking all day. But I love my girl Julie. If you live in Harker Heights, Colleen area, Vivian Nails, Julie, she actually cares about your nails. So yeah, let me take this roof back. Where am I going to eat? What do I want? I want to go to Target. I want to go to Target. So there's a Chick-fil-A, Panda Express, Chipotle, Five Guys. I don't want that neck. I don't want that neck. What do I want to eat?
So that answers that.
9 out of 10, I'm gonna go to. I see my orange. Probably gonna go to Chick-fil-A and get some grilled nuggets. I'm not hungry, but I know I haven't eaten all day, so I need to eat something. Probably get some grilled nuggets from Chick-fil-A and get a frozen drink or something. I don't know. Y'all see me again in either Target or Ross, because Ross is over here too, and I'm always popping into Ross because I also need to get some baskets for my pantry, because I'm sick of my pantry looking like how it's been looking. And I've cleaned my pantry 3 different times, tried to organize it 3 different times, and this time it's gonna stick. I'm gonna give you some baskets. So yeah, y'all will see me in Ross. Hey y'all, so it's another day. I just went to Johnny's barbecue and they're having a crawfish festival. They're having a crawfish festival, so I went and secured the bag and got me some. Ellis is currently out playing Magic of the Gathering. If you know what that is, you know what that is. If you don't, then girl. My hair, it's freaking windy outside. It's cloudy, it's hot and humid. There was like this flash flood warning last night. It was raining hard, lightning like every 2 seconds. So it's real humid outside. So that's why I didn't go sit outside. I was gonna do like a solo date type of thing and bring y'all with me, but it is too hot and humid. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got on, because I think I look so cute. I know I look good, okay? So if you've been watching me for a while, if you know me, then you know I've lost weight. So let me back up. Let me back up so y'all can see me and all of my glory, okay? Look at my back. look at me. And this isn't like me being, what is it? Vain. Not vain. This is me being astonished at how much weight I've lost. I had a big back, and y'all been seeing, I know y'all been seeing all the posts talking about unbig your back before summer. Y'all look at my back. It is unbig before the summer. It's unbig. I gotta work on my booty, but it's unbig. And booty ain't really, I really don't care if I got a big butt or a little, I don't care. I got a little something back there, so that's all that matters to me. My man loves it. But no, I just wanted to show y'all my crawfish. So let me set this up and then I'll let y'all watch me eat. We'll do a mukbang. Watch y'all can watch me eat this crawfish.
sorry, you can't have that one. This is inspired by Jumbo, wood, sage, and sea salt. And I can't remember how this one is. It's the woody sage. It's the dossier name of it. And I can't remember which ones I said I was going to give them. No, I'm keeping that one, okay? So this one is mine, so this is going to come on over here. This next one is Le Labo. No, I'm sorry, Woody Sandalwood, and it's inspired by Le Labo Sentinel 33.
It wouldn't work.
That's my stash. I had that one before too. And get this.
Hey y'all, so we are at a different location now. We are in the Arboranium. I cannot pronounce it, but we went to this place called Cinnaholic. It's right here behind y'all, and we have a Cinnabon. They specialize in special Cinnabons, but we just got, you know, plain, what is it? Cream cheese and pecans. That's all they wanted.
Pecans. Extra pecans. She trying to get me. Extra pecans.
Pecans, ma'am.
Pecans.
We are country. Pecans. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. I don't know what we get into after here, but I know across the street is a Home Goods.
Look at the clothes.
We ain't got to go.
I'm driving, so.
Huh?
I'm driving.
Yeah, we ain't got to go. But yeah, let me eat this, a little piece of this cinnamon roll.
Like,
So
let me hit.
yeah. Hey y'all, so we in a different location. We are at the Domain, and we are at
Tex-Mex.
no. They serve Tex-Mex.
Tex-Mex daily. It is called Tex-Mex.
Oh. Valencia Tex-Mex Garage. We done had a strawberry, peach, and pomegranate daiquiri margarita. Ellis done had him a baked fajita. And he just ordered us 2 shots. I'm tired. I'm drunk. I'm tipsy. And he wouldn't really finish this, y'all.
Finish? Yes, sir. Thank you.
I cannot. He's talking about we can just sit here and you can drink on. I cannot. I'm done. He can damn do it. But then he's talking about he gotta drive it, which he do, because I'm not driving.
We already knew that. Drink or no drink.
I'm tired. I just poured, okay, so they poured us more than a shot. This is the shot glasses they brought us. But the shot was like all the way up here. So that's more than a shot. So I didn't drink all of my shots, so I just poured it in my drink, and I shouldn't have did that. After we leave here, we're going home.
You know where else you want to go?
Guys, no. Nowhere.
You go to the club, babe?
No club.
Get some more drinks, babe?
You ain't get more drinks.
Get some more drinks, turn up a little bit more, babe.
Who you think I'm a spring? What, you think I'm a spring chicken?
You my spring chicken.
I'm an old hood. Alright, y'all. I'll let y'all know if we go somewhere else or if we at home. Y'all see if we at home.